down, no peace to find. Gun in my hand, cold in my mind, fighting through fire, leaving fear behind. Sirens screaming, shadows creep, truth is hidden, secrets deep. Hack the system, cut the line, only a clever survive in time. Signal in the fire, I'm calling through the smoke. This chaos is my battlefield, I'll never choke. Bullets fly, but I decode the lie. With intelligence sharp, I'll never die. In this world where nothing's clean, I'm the ghost inside the machine. Encrypted paths and broken trust, digital war, code or bust. Lines of logic, deadly and true. One wrong move, they're coming for you. The night's alive with static pain. Truth is lost in a data stream rain. But I see patterns, I hear the breach. Rewriting fate just out of reach. Signal in the fire, I'm calling through the smoke. This chaos is my battlefield, I'll never choke. Bullets fly, but I decode the lie. With intelligence sharp, I never die. In this world where nothing's clean, I'm the ghost inside the machine. Steel and fire, blood and wire. Price of truth climbs higher and higher. No one's safe, no shelter remains. Only the skilled survive these games. Survival is code, and I am the key. They watch with drones, but they can't see me. In silence I strike, in noise I think. One wrong signal and the world will sink. Signal in the fire, I'm calling through the smoke. This chaos is my battlefield, I'll never choke. Bullets fly, but I decode the lie. With intelligence sharp, I'll never die. In this world of man and machine, I am the code that runs unseen. Survivor in the ruins, mind like flame, no face, no fame, just a name.